Aloha everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Maui, and it's time to open our June 2024 Life is Sweet paper pumpkin. Let's see what's in here. This is always really fun because I don't know what to expect, so I like that it's a surprise. Okay, here's our stamps. They're all sentiments, which is really cool. The thanks is beautiful, really big. Sweet friends, sending a big squeeze, so much to celebrate. Life is so much sweeter with friends like you. Wish you were here. And you're truly amazing. So that's really nice. We've got Shy Shamrock, little Stampin' Spot. And let's see what's in here. Ooh, pretty colors. So oops, I'm stuck. Just a second. Here, I'll just pull everything out. Ooh, little cherries. These are super cute. So on the back of this, you have instructions, and you can go totally by the instructions or do whatever you want with these. A lot of times I can just look at the pictures and kind of tell what's going on. And they also have a QR code on the back that gives you a video that shows you how to put everything together. Okay. And this little thing is just so you could put it in a little bag, and you can store your stamp that way. So it's real easy to see what stamps you have. Okay, so these are beautiful. Those are those, they're pearls, but they're real shiny and really pretty. And here's our envelopes. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, nice in colors, huh? These are gorgeous. They're like that. They go with that Mediterranean suite. Ooh, how beautiful. So they have those and then vellum behind them. And here's some card fronts, or some of the card bases. That's very pretty. These, oh wow. So this is going to be lots of fun to play around with. Look, we even have got this and some silvery glitter paper and more vellum. So I can't wait to do something fun with this. I'm going to make you an alternate card. And so stay tuned, and when I come back, I'll show you something different. Okay, so I'm not sure where I'm going with this, but I just want to show you what I'm thinking as I punch stuff out. Now, I punched out these little lemons, and doesn't that totally look like a fish to you? I think I'm going to have to use that as a stencil. And then this, when I got this out, it was like, this is like seaweed, you know? So I started thinking about doing the fish like this, and then this one just hiding one of the fins and making these into fish like that. So that's a possibility. That could be fun. But then I went in my in my closet to see what I have, and I have the turtles. So I'm gonna try to stamp this and emboss on the vellum with a turtle. I'm back, and look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? It's hard to find how to put it under the camera, but I heat embossed it with copper, and I was gonna color you know, on the back side with blends. You can do that for a real nice look. But let me see. So this is a card base that I started with of, what's it called? Summer Splash. And if I put this on it and then this over it, which looks like seaweed to me. I'm going to stamp Wish You Were Here, because I know a friend who wishes she was over here too. And she loves snorkeling and stuff, so she's going to like this. Wish You Were Here. Let me see if it'll fit on one of these longer ones in Shy Shamrock. I'm going to put it first on Versamark just to help it, just to kind of prime it when I first get started with these. Okay, that's cute. Where can I put it? I don't want to cover his head. Maybe up here. And I might use a piece of, oh, what's, I was thinking these were straight, but look, they're all the words. Oh, that's neat. Because I can see hello and miss you, and congratulations. So I'm going to cut off, see how there's some extra, like some throwaway stuff there? I'm going to cut off a little strip and kind of put it under my sentiment. I've cut off this little edge that was just over, you know, it was on the edge above the words there. And I'm going to use some glue dots to stick Wish You Were Here to it. Oh, that's a huge one. I'm not positive how well the this green glue would stick with the glitter paper. So these things work great. I know this will work. One more. Where's my scissors? Here's some. Okay, just nice to have a little bit of sparkle. And I'm going to pop it up with some mini dimensionals, except I already have some dimensionals on the edge that are kind of small. Another thing I like to do is when you have two things that are stuck together like this, it just adds another, you know, another layer of guarantee when you put them together like that they're not going to come apart. Can they tell what this is? I guess you could tell it's a turtle. Could do it here. I like it up here. Okay, that's fun, and maybe a couple of bubbles. So I have the pearls from this month's kit, which I love, but I had some little sequins left over from last month, and I think these look more like bubbles. So I'm going to add a few of these around. Okay, I think that's fun. I'll add a piece of white to the inside, and then I'll be done with this one card. I hope you guys like that. Now, for my second card, I wanted to try embossing the vellum, and I think it turned out really pretty. I embossed it with, here it is, Eyelet 3D embossing folder, and I'm going to end up putting it down here. I've punched out Hello, which is silver glitter, and to make that stand out more, I'm using my Pretty in Pink ribbon, and I'm going to put it underneath it, I think, like this. I'm going to apply tear and tape to my vellum. Let's see which, oh, that's a neat too. I want to put my ribbon around here, but I don't like when the edges show like that. So here's my plan, is to cover the edges with this little piece of paper. Let me think how I want it. Okay, and I think I can even make it into a gift card holder. Like put it here, put glue here, 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 and leave an opening right here. So that would be really neat. So that means I'm going to start right here. And I don't want it to get hung up with my gift card. I think it'll be fine if I tape it down. So I've adhered the hello using many dimensionals, and now I want to stamp Sweet Friend with Pretty in Pink. I think I'll pop this one up too. Stick it right under here. Oops. And I did it a little bit off to the side, and that wasn't on purpose, but I think it's perfect to put one of these pearls there. Okay, oh, and now for the inside. Next, I'm going to stamp Life is So Much Sweeter with Friends Like You. Thought I could put it on the gift card thing, but I think I'll just go ahead and put it on the card inside. Okay, and now to glue down my gift card. Actually, I would use this, but it's kind of bulky right there over the ribbons, so I'm going to use tear and tape. Okay, I'll go ahead and stick it right on the edge. And then I can put like a gift card in there. Isn't that cute? Hello, sweet friend. And I love that. Hope you got some ideas from watching my video, and the cards are beautiful just like they are, so feel free to do them that way, but I like to jazz them up or change things out a little bit. Thanks so much, everyone, for being my customers and for subscribing to my videos. I really appreciate it, and leave me a comment if you have a chance. Okay, have a great day. Aloha.